People heard their windows rattle and felt their walls shake as the boom echoed across the sky.
Fox, we're learning more about a strange noise North St. Louis County residents say they are hearing.
This is a hum that Contact 2's Mike Colombo has heard a lot about. And as he reports tonight, many of you have thoughts on what that sound could be.
Never before have we recorded so many signals recorded around the world. Naturally, with the advancement of technology, this was to be expected. However, we are witnessing a series of strange and disturbing events in various parts of the globe, raising the worrying question of whether we are on the brink of an apocalypse. Can you tell? The countdown to Judgment Day may have begun. In this video, I will present you with real videos and even reports from some television programs that show some sounds that are beyond your understanding. These events have been reported in several places around the world. I would like to hear your opinion in the comments. Do you believe that these phenomena are part of the Blue Beam Project, natural events, or signs of the return of Jesus Christ?
So did you hear that boom? People across southwestern Pennsylvania certainly did this morning. People heard their windows rattle and felt their walls shake as the boom echoed across the sky.
This happened to people in southwestern Pennsylvania. Reports of this mysterious boom echoed through the area, leaving everyone perplexed and curious. The sound, filled with a palpable mystery, sowed a wave of fascination and uneasiness among those who witnessed the phenomenon.
A loud boom earlier today. Several people heard and felt a loud noise around 12:30 Central Time this afternoon. News Channel 7's Tyler Allender joins us live in the studio. And Tyler, is any word on what it was?
Ron, with Tyndall, Eglin, and NSA Panama City nearby, we're no stranger to loud booms from time to time. This particular one seems to be a mystery, though, but I heard and felt it. As of now, there's no official word on the source. Law enforcement doesn't believe it's criminal. Many of you called our newsroom and left comments on our Facebook pages, and here's what some of you said. Barbara was wondering what the big boom was. Debbie said the houses on her street shook. Tiffany was also curious. Enid said she heard what sounded to her like an explosion in the Grand Lagoon area. Houses shook and even tripped the breakers. Now, there weren't any reports of an earthquake, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, and still, not everyone felt it. We had fewer, if any, reports from those who live closer to Tyndall, over to Callaway, Springfield, and Parker. But if we do get any leads, we'll be sure and pass them along.
I've been hearing some strange noises outside now for a bit. I'll open the window, show you. It's really strange. Listen. I don't know what it is, but it's starting to freak me out a bit. I don't like it. It's been happening every kind of 10 minutes, half an hour. But there it is again. I don't know what it is, but there's been some strange cloud formations. I don't know if that's got anything to do with it, but it's freaking me out. I've heard about these noises.
It's natural to wonder if these are grim signs of disturbances or larger events in the world coming to an end. And as if that wasn't enough, Mother Nature decided to up the excitement factor with a tropical cyclone called Seth, forcing beaches to close and causing all sorts of chaos. The dying remnants of Seth's original rage managed to push more waves through the Currumbin Surf Club car park. But it doesn't end there, my friends. In Colorado, a wildfire disaster painted an apocalyptic picture, with hundreds of homes being destroyed by fast, moving flames. Some residents described it as ash in the sky and fire on the ground, painting a picture as terrifying as any horror movie. Hundreds of homes were destroyed after cyclonic winds fueled massive fires in Colorado. Entire communities are now an apocalyptic wasteland. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Adding to the chaotic mix, a massive earthquake in Hunan province, injuring 23 people, and in South Carolina, a series of earthquakes were recorded, leaving people quite shaken. Even President Biden faced wild winds on Air Force One, while in Washington state, they faced heavy rain, snow, and rising floodwaters. The severe weather also exposed a critical shortage of snowplow drivers, making it even more difficult for people to get around safely. And let's not forget our friends in Indonesia's Aceh province, where persistent rains have led to unprecedented flooding, forcing thousands of people to flee their homes. I mean, guys, talk about a roller coaster of climate disasters, right? It's like something straight out of a horror anthology. Remember to stay safe and prepared. Whatever it is, these stories remind us that reality can sometimes be stranger and scarier than fiction. Do you think these are signs that the world is coming to an end?
Since our report on February 21st, we've received dozens of phone calls and emails from people on both sides of the river.
Something similar across the area.
And Will, a lot of people tell you that they've never heard anything like this.
When he heard that heavy...
cities on the other side of the world, from England to Australia, say they have their own versions of the buzzing sound.
Strange sounds are being heard in 2023. For me, it seems to be the sound of a trumpet. And you know the meaning of these sounds, or what is about to happen. Give us your comments, or what do you say, okay?
Maybe if we just went a bit further up, we might see something. Fuck knows. No, this is it. Maybe it wasn't 2012, it was 2013. Alright, okay. It's not an animal, is it?
Is this a sign of the apocalypse? Don't miss out. Subscribe now for the jaw-dropping details.